Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are joining me for the first time, then thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning. Today's video, as you can see, it is a summer makeup tutorial. It is finally my favorite season, which is summer, and I wanted to do a nice and easy makeup for you guys to follow if you are interested. It's mainly focused on like glowy skin, radiant skin, not too much products, and not too much sort of like cakey powdery makeup. We're going more so for the natural radiant glowy type of makeup. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I will list all of the products that I've used in the description box below, so do make sure you check that out, because that's where I always leave everything in terms of what I use. So yeah, check that out, and let's get straight into today's video. So guys, I am first starting out with my primer. As you guys know, I absolutely love this primer so much. This is the L'Oreal Infallible resurfacing primer, which looks like so. Hopefully it focuses. There we go. That's what the primer looks like. I absolutely love this primer. It's perfect for long-lasting makeup, and it's also perfect for normal to combination skin, and I have combination skin, so this works out great for me. It doesn't dry out my skin too much, and also it doesn't leave like a glowy sort of greasy feel. It's just nice and matte. It glides on nice and easily, and it just makes your makeup last all day long, and really helps with creasing as well, which is something that we all tend to struggle with, especially after applying makeup for a few hours. It does sometimes crease up, but with this product here, it literally is seamless. So guys, the next product that I'm going to be using is this Fenty Beauty Blurring Skin Tint, and this one is in the shade 18. That's what I picked out. It's a bit more darker for my skin, but I like it because it gives my skin sort of like a bronzy tint to the face, and then obviously I lighten it up with the concealers that I apply afterwards. But I just find it easy to use sometimes as a substitute to your foundation on days where you don't want to apply a foundation. It's just easier, and it's lightweight as well, and it also hides any imperfections on the skin. Guys, can you see the tint that it's just given my skin? It's just given my skin sort of like a nice bronzy color, which is what I absolutely like. In summer, I like my skin to be bronzy, and it just glides on so easily. I just really like it sometimes to use it other than foundation. When I went on holiday, that's what I pretty much used for my skin. I didn't use a lot of foundation because when it's hot, I just don't like using a lot of like foundations, especially in the daytime. It just can be too much. So this pretty much does the job, guys. Look at how my skin looks like. I know I look a little bit tan, but we're gonna brighten it up with the concealers. But this is pretty much what my skin looks like. So it just covers my little blemishes ever so slightly, but it just tints my whole skin into one color, which I absolutely love. Then after that, I'm taking my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade medium slash dark. I will put the proper name of the shade, but I cannot pronounce it for the life of me, and I'm not going to try to, because I will just butcher the name. So I'll put it on the screen somewhere here for you guys to see, but I'm just applying that to the areas that I want to highlight. Guys, for my powder, I'm using the Mercier, and this is the setting powder, the Ultra Blur setting powder. So guys, I've done my eyebrows off camera because it was just quicker. For my contour, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. And guys, for blusher, I'm going to be using this cream blusher from Fenty Beauty, and this is called Summertime Wine, and it looks like that. It's just a nice pinkish mauvish color. I absolutely love this blusher so much. I just feel like it is literally the perfect makeup item product to add to your makeup looks. It just glides on so smoothly. I just love the cream base textures of these blushes. They're just super phenomenal. I like to apply a little bit on my nose. I like using cream, more than powders in the summertime, because I just feel like you want your makeup to look fresh. You don't want your makeup to look cakey, and they're just the perfect thing to use in the summer, in my opinion. So guys, for the eyes, I'm going to be using this Morphe palette. This is the Artistry palette. It's 35V, in case you guys might want to know. And I'm pretty much going to be using a few little brown shades. I'm going to mix this brown shade with this color here. It's also another brown shade as well. And I'm going to mix those two just to create some color in the crease area. I like to add color to my crease. I just feel like it really looks pretty, even if you don't go in with like a main sort of lid color. It just can take your makeup from one level to the other. And then after that, guys, I'm going to grab my next palette, which is the Natural Nude palette from Too Faced, and as always I'm going to be going in with Truffle. I'm using a flat brush just to create a nice little brown wing. I just love creating a brown wing. I feel like it just creates this nice softness. It adds softness to the makeup and also adds a little bit of drama. But I just find that brown eyeshadow is very softer on the eyes, especially in the daytime. I think you don't want anything too crazy. And then for mascara, I'm going in with the Kylash mascara from Kylie Jenner. It just looks like so. I'm not sure whether the camera will pick it up, but yeah, it pretty much looks like that. And I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lashes. I'm just going to apply the eyeshadows that I applied onto my crease, onto my lower lash. I'm just going to just blend that in. And then for lips, I am going in with my NYX lip liner, and this is in the shade Nutmeg, and it's just a standard brown lip liner I'm just going to use to and then I'm taking the vinyl ink from Maybelline, and this is the Super Stay in the shade Golden, and it just looks like that. It's just like a lip gloss. I absolutely love this lip gloss. They're so moisturizing onto the lips. And then I'm just going to apply some lip plumper lip gloss from Very Am, and this is called That Swell. It's a lip plumper, and I just love applying this onto my lips. So guys, I applied some lashes, and yeah, pretty much this is the makeup look. I just wanted a nice radiant makeup. I feel like in summer you don't want the fuss, you don't want too much product. You want to use cream based products to just create a glowy skin, and I feel like my skin literally looks so glowy, so radiant, and the makeup just looks so youthful, and that's pretty much what I'm into nowadays. I just like youthful looking makeup where you don't do too much. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously, if you do wish to leave the eyelashes out, you can definitely do so, but for me, I like my lashes because I don't have long lashes like that. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like how it came out, and give this video a thumbs up if you want more videos like this, and also give me your comments in the comment section below as well. I do appreciate it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye dolls. Bye.